Hey lads, TechScanning here. So the launch of the Nothing Phone 2 is less than a week away. That will be on the 11th of July. And we are getting more and more details about the handset. We have already got the complete look at the device, its major hardware specs and even the possible pricing. But on the camera side, though we know it will have two camera setup and the brand CEO also shared some impressive looking samples, but not much is known about its camera specs. However, now a reputable leaker Kamila revealed the camera specs, suggesting possible upgrades for the Nothing Phone 2 camera system. So while the ultra-wide sensor will remain the same, but it is likely to feature a new main camera, the 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 with optical image stabilization. It is the same sensor from the flagship OnePlus 11, so giving me a positive vibe because OnePlus 11 performs pretty well with the same sensor. Further, as the Nothing Phone 2 does not offer a dedicated telephoto lens, so the phone will offer an in-sensor zoom feature just like the recently launched Realme 11 Pro Plus. Now, if you don't know, the in-sensor zoom is usually given on high-resolution cameras where only the middle part of the sensor is used to take photos without losing the quality. However, as only a part of the sensor is being used instead of the full sensor, so the resolution will also be lower, like a 108 megapixel can capture a 12 megapixel photo at 3x zoom without losing the quality. For the selfie cam, the Nothing Phone 2 is set to feature a 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 with electronic image stabilization instead of 16 megapixel on the Phone 1. Moving forward, the Phone 2 will boast a 6.7 inches OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. Reportedly, the display will also support a low power modes that can go as low as 1Hz, including 10Hz, 24Hz and 30Hz. So if it goes through, it will drastically save the battery life. And speaking of the battery, the brand has already confirmed there will be a bigger 4700 mAh of battery, which is a 200 mAh jump from its predecessor. So, are you excited about the Nothing Phone 2? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to support me and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.